Hi friends, I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar, welcoming you to my channel The Joy of Cooking. Today I'll be showing you all the breakfast recipe of methi ke theple. It's very healthy recipe as it's made using the leafy vegetable of fenugreek, and I have served it with some curd and achar or pickle. So let's begin. To make the methi ke theple, first we are going to heat a kadai or pan and then add oil to it. So I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of oil, and once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our fenugreek leaves to it. So they are the fresh fenugreek leaves separated from the stalks. I'm using about 2.5 to 3 cups of methi or fenugreek leaves. So we'll add it to the hot oil. Be very careful. And once we add the methi leaves in the oil, we are going to mix it well, and you will see they'll start shrinking. So we are going to mix it on high flame. You may adjust the flame as and when required. And once they are nicely mixed and combined, to this we are going to add crushed garlic. Garlic is actually optional but highly recommended. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, or you may grate the garlic, and mix it well. And then we are going to add some salt as per taste. So salt very little, and give it a good mix. Once it's done, our methi is cooked now. We are going to add the spices. So first we'll add the red chili powder, half teaspoon, 3/4 teaspoon of coriander and cumin powder, and about half teaspoon of turmeric powder. So you may adjust the quantities as per like, and mix it and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Once it's done, we are going to switch off the flame. After switching off the flame, after about 2 to 3 minutes, while the vegetable is still hot, we are going to add our jaggery. So I'm adding crushed jaggery over here, 3/4 teaspoon. You may add the powdered jaggery, which is readily available in the market nowadays. So about 3/4 teaspoon of jaggery, which is good for the winter season. And now we are going to transfer this in a mixing bowl. Make sure that the methi is completely cooled down at room temperature. So transfer the methi vegetable into the mixing bowl, and once it's nice and cool at the room temperature, we are going to add our sesame seeds. These are perfect for the winters. So I'll be adding about 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. After that, add wheat flour. I'm adding the jawar flour. I'm extremely sorry. 2 teaspoon of jawar. You may also add bajra to this, and then add some besan. We're going to add about 1.5 teaspoon of gram flour or besan, and then add red chili powder, half teaspoon or as per taste. Add coriander and cumin powder, about 1 teaspoon, and then add turmeric powder. This is optional but highly recommended, about 1 teaspoon, and then add salt as per taste. We have added the salt before, so add all the spices accordingly, and then we are going to add our wheat flour to this. So wheat flour will be as required because we want the binding. So add the wheat flour and start kneading the dough. Now here I am going to make the dough by adding some curd to it. We'll add 1 tablespoon of curd and knead the dough. Now you may add some water if required. If the dough comes together with the help of the curd, then no need to add water, but if not, then you may add a little water to this. and then knead the dough further. So here I am going to add a little water and then knead it further and make it nice and firm. So dust some flour again, wheat flour, and keep kneading for about 2 to 3 minutes till it's properly combined. Yes, you'll see it's perfect. Now we're going to rest the dough for about 15 to 30 minutes. And now we'll start making our thepli. So first I'm going to take a lemon sized ball from the dough and then we are going to roll it. Make a thepla out of it. To make the thepla, we are going to dust some wheat flour onto the plain surface and then start rolling out. Make sure you roll it evenly and dust some wheat flour if required, not much, very little, and then roll it out properly, evenly and in a round shape. You will see our thepla is ready now. So now we are going to take it and roast it on a hot tawa or a pan, and we are going to flip it after about 2 minutes. So flip the thepla and then we are going to apply some oil onto it. Make sure the flame is medium right now so that the thepla does not burn. Spread some oil. You may also use ghee, whichever is best for you, but make sure you apply it nice in good quantity. Be generous while applying the ghee or oil because it's especially for the winters and our body needs lubrication. So the ghee or oil works best over here. So be generous and then roast the thepla properly from both the sides for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it's nice and golden brown from both the sides. Once done, remove it and roll the next thepla the same way. So we are going to make all our theplas the same way. Roast them with ghee or oil till they become nice golden brown in color from both the sides, and then make sure to serve them real good hot with some curd and some achar or pickle. So this is how our winter special breakfast recipe of methi ke theple is ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking, hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new recipe videos that I share. Follow me on other social media handles like Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I'll see you next time with some more exciting recipe videos. Until then, take care and stay tuned. Bye bye.